Hi guys and welcome to Drive Spark. I'm Promeet and today what we are driving is Mahindra's first born electric SUV. I mean, this is one of the SUV that they launched. So this is the B6e. It is spelled out BE6e, but they pronounce it as B6e. So I'll be telling you about this vehicle. We are having a short drive. Please pardon us if we could not give you a full detailed walk around of this car. So let's start off with the front end of the vehicle. Now you can see the design is very unique. You get like a coupe kind of a silhouette that slopes down at the sides, are good, very sharp edges. So if we start off with the front end, you will notice that you have the DRLs on either sides and the entire setup is an LED setup. Also, if you will see that the DRL is, I mean, they are pretty sharp. Plus you have all LED headlamp, you have a 360-degree camera, you have a lot of, and plus this car also has one thing that I would like to say, that it has got a duct that channels air through it, so you can see it from the front. So I mean, from the front it is not visible, but when you're driving and when you really come close and notice it, there is a duct. So I mean, there is a complete section where you can see through. So yeah, that thing is a good thing. Also front parking camera, obviously there's a 360-degree camera feature in this vehicle. Plus, since there's a front parking camera, so it makes a lot of things easier. If we talk about cameras, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 cameras altogether in the car. Now if you move to the side, you will see that again the sharp lines continue. You get a 20-inch alloy wheel with aero design on it. So that is one thing that really accentuates the overall looks of the car. You have around 207 mm of ground clearance, which is pretty commendable. Plus you can see that if you move to the back, you will notice that this thing does not have a shark fin antenna, but this gets a very aggressive looking spoiler. At the back also the DRLs are continued as, at the back also the LED tail lamps are continued as the DRLs that are in the front. As I mentioned, the spoiler is really aggressive. You get piano black cladding all over, and at the back you get some silver accents and reflectors. Plus you can see you get the B6e badging, the new Mahindra logo that is for the electric cars only. So Mahindra just launched a new logo yesterday for their all electric vehicle. Now if you move to the inside, you will notice one thing, is that first thing in the B6e, the cockpit, I mean, it is a very driver-centric cockpit. So you can see you get this kind of a halo kind of a thing that is, I mean, it looks really good when you're sitting in the driver's seat. You have a 2-screen setup. Apart from that, you have this funky looking steering wheel that reminds you of the the PlayStations, I mean, before, if you have a plate. So yeah, the steering wheel is not round, it is kind of a squarish steering wheel. It has steering mounted controls on it. You get the B logo that illuminates on the steering wheel. Apart from that, you also get an illuminated logo on the hood as well. So that is, again, at night that thing looks really nice. Plus this thing does not get the connected LED DRLs at the front, at the back, but overall the car is fantastic. Now since we're talking about the inside, let me tell you that the inside is finished in 3 colors. I mean, it is nice. The seats are fabric. The gear lever is inspired from a fighter jet. So obviously, I mean, it is a funky looking cabin from the inside, but it is actually very nice. You also get a massive panoramic roof that does not open, that has some design on it, and that thing glows because that has ambient light on the side. So at night, you have the Mahindra logo also on the sunroof at the back, and the pattern is very good. You have ambient light all over the car. You have a 16-speaker Harman Kardon system that sounds absolutely fantastic. You also get a heads-up display. But if you see the dashboard is slightly on the longer side, and I mean, if something has fallen over there, it will take some time for you to reach out and get that thing. Now let us talk about some performance figures of this vehicle. So as we know that both the electric cars from Mahindra are powered by the same powertrain. You have a 59 kilowatt hour battery pack and then a 79 kilowatt hour battery pack, and the power output of the 59 kilowatt hour battery pack is around 227 bhp with around 350 Nm, and again the 79 kilowatt hour battery pack, it gets a 280 bhp and 380 Nm of peak torque. It gets a single rear wheel drive. I mean, the motor drives the rear wheels. It's not a all wheel drive vehicle. So the power delivery is pretty good. I mean, since it's a rear wheel drive, pretty enthusiastic people can do a lot of things. I hope you know what I mean. But yeah, so power is delivered to the rear wheels. You have drive modes. Now if you talk about drive modes, 3 drive modes. You have your range, that's obviously eco, then you have your everyday, that's your comfort, and then obviously you have your race mode. So obviously in each mode you will have a slight range drop, because the throttle response will increase, the steering wheel will adapt to it, the car will adapt to it, and trust me, when you have almost 280 bhp on an electric car that has 0 power losses, when you floor it, this happens. There's an instant torque rush that will just push you back in the seat. This has got a fantastic initial mid-range and an excellent top end. Triple digit speeds come in, like you will just reach triple digit speeds, and the claim time is under 7 seconds. So yeah, we will be trying that out, 0 to 100. So in the 0 to 100, obviously we will be posting that on the Instagram, on our Instagram reel and YouTube short, so you can go check it out over there. Apart from that, let me tell you the pricing of the vehicle. So the V6e has been introduced at a price of rupees 18.9 lakh ex-showroom. That is a really fantastic price of this vehicle. So this is an introductory price. Obviously there will be a price hike and there will be variants also, so the price listing will come out later, but as of now what we know is that 18.9 lakh is the introductory price of this vehicle, and this is a rear wheel drive. Also, one more thing, the suspension setup is actually fantastic. So we put up some reels yesterday showing the suspension components and the braking components that were showed us in the factory. So brakes are really nice. It is a brake-by-wire technology that they have used over here. So the brake is very spontaneous. The bite is good from the brake. I mean, if you're doing triple digit speeds also, you will be pretty confident to do that. Apart from that, the acceleration, as I mentioned, is just epic, and handling is good. The steering response is fantastic. Steering wheel weighs up as you change the mode, being eco or your range mode being the lightest and the race mode being the heaviest. So since it's an electronic steering wheel, obviously it will weigh up, and a heavy steering wheel is slightly better than a very light steering wheel, especially during high speed. Also, the suspension setup is good. Now we are on a broken road, and yeah, I mean, it is gliding over bumps and potholes. We encountered some massive potholes as well, but what we can say is that the suspension setup is actually fantastic for Indian road conditions. So you have level 2 plus ADAS as well. Safety features has been taken care of, 6 airbags, everything. I mean, you have everything that you can name in this vehicle that you actually see on very high-end vehicle that Mahindra mentioned in 50-70 lakh rupee vehicle. You will see those features, so you get all those features in this particular car. Well, there was one more camera that I was talking about, and that is this camera right over here on top of the IRVM. So that camera basically monitors you, or if you have fallen asleep, so what will happen is that it will pull to the side, or it will just try to wake you up by braking or by honking. So yeah, that is a really nice feature. Apart from that, now since this is an electric vehicle, so obviously you will ask what is the range. So certified range, the real world range is around 500 plus kilometers. If we talk about the charging facility, you have this supports charging up to 175 kilowatt, and that thing can charge the car in 20 minutes. If you find a 175 kilowatt charger, then you can charge the car from 20 to 80% in just 20 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, 20 minutes, but that is a very heavy industrial charger. You will not find it everywhere, but yeah, I mean, the regular 140 or the regular chargers will, I think, charge it in 4 to 5 hours. But the 175 kilowatt will particularly take 20 minutes to charge. So we'll have to see that. And apart from that, I think it is a fantastic vehicle. It's got all the features, it looks good, it drives really well, and the pricing is just excellent on this. So yeah guys, this was the all new Mahindra's Born electric SUV, the B6E. Once again, let me spell it out. It is BE6E, but they pronounce it as B6E. So I hope you like this video. There was a short drive video, and if you want to know anything else about this all electric SUV, please mention it down in the comment section and we will get back to you on that. Until then, I'm Promeet signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.